Good morning everyone. Hope you are doing great in your life. So actually right now I am beside the lake, and actually I can say that view is so nice, so attractive, so beautiful. Lake's view you can see. Actually right now I can see here a lot of ducks. You can see ducks also. So beside that side you can see a lot of ducks, and definitely this lake makes this park so beautiful, so nice, so attractive that mostly people try to come here to enjoy the beauty of the lake, nature. You can see lots of ducks. Hope you are enjoying to see this beautiful view of the lake with ducks. Actually there are a lot of birds sitting. So these are eagles. They are enjoying the coolness of the lake, water, nature, and ducks are also enjoying. So definitely view is looking awesome. So right now actually cool breeze is blowing, and I'm beside the lake, so it makes me feeling good, and I am also feeling very good this time. Actually there are a lot of birds, they are chirping right now here. So beautiful view, birds, beautiful lake, ducks, sounds of the chirping bird, greenery, lot of trees. So all these things makes this park so beautiful, so nice. So whenever we get free time, so definitely we can utilize our time in such a way. So definitely it gives us just like refreshment of our mind, because nowadays life is so hectic, so challenging, nobody has so much time. So definitely we can get some free time for ourselves also, and we can do such kind of activities in our life. So you can see beautiful view. Actually ducks are enjoying the coolness of the nature. So actually this is the one portion of the lake. So hope you are enjoying, and you enjoyed also. So thank you for today. We'll meet tomorrow. Till then, have a great day. Thank you.